drinks wholesaler Conviviality left a sour taste in investors' mouths after posting a 10% fall in half-year profits. The bargain booze and wine rec owner plunged 11.2%, or 40p, to 318p after earnings were hit by cost-cutting efforts and margins were weakened by a string of key contracts. Conviviality renewed its long-term contracts with Wetherspoons and Slug and lettuce owner Stonegate Pub Company and signed a 10-year deal with Wadworth to supply wines to 200 managed and 139 independent trade outlets. The move caused its margins to slip by 0.3 percentage points to 12.5% as the bigger customers demand lower prices. Profits fell 10.3% to £5.2 million in the half-year to October 29, though sales jumped 9.2% to £836.3 million from £765.9 million. The company also performed well over Christmas, with same-store sales up 0.6% in the 6 weeks to December 31, including a 7.7% surge in the final 2 weeks of the year. Despite the blow to profits, Chief Executive Diana Hunter said the results were in line with expectations, and the group is confident it can meet its targets for the full year. She added that the fact the company had opted to increase its interim dividend by 7.1% to 4.5p per share showed confidence in the business, and the contract wins with Wetherspoons and Stonegate helped add security. The FTSE 250 fell 0.18%, or 37.66 points to 20,577.92, while the FTSE 100 finished up 0.08%, or 5.99 points, to 7,671.53. Mining firms were among the best performers on the blue-chip index. Glencore was up 3.3%, or 13.1p, to 415p, and Rio Tinto rose 2.1%, or 82p, to 4,024.5p. The miner sold its new Largo thermal coal project in South Africa for £30 million to a new majority black-owned and managed Ceridian Coalser, marking its exit from domestic coal in the country. The firm started selling assets during the commodity crash of 2015 to 2016 to focus on copper, diamonds and platinum. Telecommunications surged 4.8%, or 7.6p, to 165p, after confirming it was in talks to sell off its automotive division. The company said it had received interest from numerous parties and is considering a range of proposals. Its announcement came amid reports Swiss semiconductor maker u-blox is weighing up a £150 million bid for the division. A consortium working with Uber and Intel is also rumored to be circling the business. until it appointed New Mexico Rothschild to find a buyer for the division last year after its share price plunged almost 50% following allegations about its boss. Ex-chief Uzi Katz, also known as Uzi Katz, is alleged to be a fugitive wanted in connection with a 1990s property scam and on the run from the U.S. police. Elsewhere, a title jumped 5.5%, or 6p, to 115p, after hailing a strong performance over the winter. The budget hotel firm said it had continued to significantly outperform its competitors and the wider UK hotel market. Isidle offers cut-price accommodation to customers who have the option to pay for add-ons such as early check-ins, late departures and breakfast boxes costing £4.95 or £5.95. It has seen success across its modern hotels in Newcastle and Liverpool, and is in the process of refurbishing its hotels in Croydon, Glasgow and Old Street, London to reflect the new format. Finally, healthcare company Concepta jumped 13.1%, or 0.88p, to 7.58p after a positive test of its at-home fertility product MyLotus.